We are the Startup Channel. Before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves briefly. With the Startup Channel, we want to bring the Silicon Valley vibe to YouTube. We present you here the latest startups, the stories of companies and successful entrepreneurs. In this video, we want to tell you about the greatest innovation in the automotive industry, APTERA Motors. APTERA is a startup based in San Diego, California, that develops a solar-powered electric vehicle. The APTERA is a three-wheeled vehicle with a range of up to 1,000 miles on a single charge. It is also one of the most aerodynamic vehicles ever built, which improves its efficiency. But how did APTERA get to where it is today? Let's start in 2006, when Chris Anthony and Steve Fambro founded the company and began developing the APTERA, first alone, and then with more and more experts. Both are engineers, with a passion for the development of environmentally friendly vehicles. The vehicle was to be a solar-powered electric vehicle that was to be both affordable and powerful. In an investment round, APTERA raised $24 million from Google and other investors. Unfortunately, the young company went bankrupt in December 2011, even before it could produce and deliver the two vehicles announced at the time. In 2019, the two founders refounded the company and have been working since then to finally bring the vehicle to market. After years of research and development, APTERA finally launched the APTERA in 2023. The APTERA is a small, lightweight vehicle that is made largely of carbon fiber. What makes the APTERA so special and innovative is its solar panel roof, which can generate up to 40 miles of range per day. The APTERA is equipped with a very powerful electric motor that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The APTERA also has a regenerative braking system that recovers energy when braking and extends the vehicle's range. The APTERA has an EPA estimated range of up to 1,000 miles on a single charge. The APTERA is scheduled to go into production in 2023. In addition, the company is currently urgently looking for investors and is offering various benefits to investors. Conclusion: the APTERA is a revolutionary new electric vehicle that has the potential to change the way we move. With its long range, solar power, and elegant design, the APTERA is a vehicle that is sure to turn heads. If you are looking for an electric vehicle that is both efficient and stylish, the APTERA could be of interest to you. Even if the project fails, APTERA has revolutionized the automotive industry to some extent and is driving competition, which leads to more speed in research and development. We wish APTERA all the best and much success in their mission and with their great product. Thank you for watching this video about APTERA Motors and its product, the APTERA. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. We link the APTERA website and the Wikipedia article in the description. You can get a picture of the product and the company for yourself. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.